Good morning, everybody. It's Jim. It's Saturday, July 8th. Special shout out to my sister Molly, her 42nd birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mom. Love you much. Great spending time with you this week. So I'm going to start video blogging more often than I have in the past. There's a lot going on in immigration land, and I think that there's value in me keeping people up to date. We're about 6 months into the Trump presidency, and things are starting to constrict. The net is getting a little tighter. The influence of Jeff Sessions and other members of the Trump administration is starting to be felt. Immigration attorneys around the country are starting to feel a little more pressure, a little more stress. The Immigration Service and Immigration and Customs Enforcement are feeling a little friskier, a little more hostile and a little bit more forceful. Lately, the head of Immigration and Customs Enforcement said, forget the priorities. Basically, any undocumented person is fair game, and that if immigration and customs officials come into contact with anyone who's in the United States without permission, that they are to be targeted and rounded up and put into removal. The gloves are off, the chains have been broken, and ICE is unleashed. This is a new era for us, and I understand that people are starting to get freaked out. Here in our office, we're working today and all weekend on a deportation case. We're going to try to help out a Bosnian mother of a special needs child. On Monday, we have to go to Kansas City and argue about whether or not our client should be deported, whether she should be let out on bond, sort of the whole shooting match on Monday at 1 o'clock, so send us good vibes if you can. Other than that, went out last night with our good friends, the Thomasers, for dinner. Monty and I had a nice time. We are lucky to be here together, to have the life we have together, to work together, and we're doing work that has real meaning. We're helping people. We are changing people's lives. I feel really blessed to be able to do the work that I do. We have been having great success with our lawsuits lately. We just had a ton of clients get naturalized or other immigration benefits that they've been waiting for a really long time, and that brings me a lot of fulfillment. I really enjoy working on those cases. I'm working on a new one right now. And so it's really been a great time to be an immigration attorney. It's stressful, it's hard, but this is really when your mettle is tested, when the work you do has the most meaning. I think most people thought that Hillary Clinton was going to win the election and that immigration reform might happen and that people might be able to get legal status in the United States. But instead, what's happened is that we've found ourselves in a surreal world where we're asking our clients to be brave and strong and to fight. And that's what we're doing, is we're fighting. And I don't say that in a braggadocio kind of way or a braggy way. All I'm saying is that, our job is to put the government to the test. If they think someone should be deported, then we're going to hold them to a very high legal standard. And if they want to try to deny our clients an immigration benefit, we're going to fight like hell to get that benefit. I think that our reputation in the St. Louis field office and now growing into other field offices around the country is getting very good. And people know that we do good work and that we put together our cases well. And I think we've earned some respect, and I know that people appreciate that, and they've come to hire us and find us, and we really speak for the people that have the least amount of power in our society, the immigrants. And to me, there's no greater calling. To me, it's something that I love to do. And so with that, I'll close. Ask you all to send good special prayers and vibes for my client on Monday and for my sister today on her birthday. And with that, I'll wish you all a happy Saturday. Peace out.